So imagine being broke, behind on rent, the cupboard's empty, and you only have 100 rand left in your wallet. You're currently unemployed, and the one thing you think you know how to do fairly well is cleaning. What do? Say you have access to a mobile app that allows you to get a job based on how much you spend on your household goods and services. Because of this app, you can take the 100 rand notes that you have left to buy bread, milk, and eggs. And that purchase of bread, milk, and eggs gets you a cleaning job that earns you more money to buy more goods and services. Njani? You have 100 rand left in your pocket, right? Have access to this mobile app. Now you create a profile where you can detail what you think you're good at. In this example, cleaning. The app also asks you to state how much you're willing to earn per hour of cleaning. You put down 30 rands an hour. The app then asks you to put down your top 5 spending activities. You select food, electricity, transport, toiletries, and say a haircut. And it then asks you how much you have left. In this case, 100 rand. Based on the information you've provided the app sends you feedback on where you can buy bread, eggs, and milk that you selected under the food category in exchange for, say, 2 hours of cleaning per day for the next 3 days at 20 rands an hour. Now, based on the algorithm, being paid 20 rand versus the 30 rand you wanted to be paid is your best shot right now. The offer also then requests that you spend at least 20% of your cleaning income back to the spaza shop that's offering you this job. You review the offer and realize it's from a local spaza shop, a few minutes from your house. Now, you've never really bought from there before because they were slightly more expensive due to their limited purchasing power. That no, my friend. You think about it, taking this 100 rand note to buy bread, milk, and eggs, and in return, you will have 120 rands from the cleaning service after the few days. 100 rand, but now you are spending it in the production or creation of your income. At the end of your 3-day contract with the spaza shop, the owner will be able to rate your services, which will then in turn and in future help you to reach your target rate of cleaning for 30 rands an hour. You see, this is a straight line or simplest way one person can use the app. It has 9 levels. By now, Ram has taught us the levels. Is there a law that can make the inactive active or enterprising? Is there a law that can make the thriftless to be fortunate? Or a law that can make the drunk sober? You see, such changes must be effected through people's activity, economy, and self-discipline. The public authority that is ahead of its people will eventually be dragged down to their level. And the public authority or administration that is behind can be pushed up by its people. And this is how. Through an intentional, capacitated, strategic, effective, and efficient system of self-help. There are many routes. One vision: to foster, oversee, and perpetuate the affluence of the people of South Africa. Consumer-driven employment is the future. We can lead cognizant individuals, distinct employees, and quality entrepreneurs. So let them know. Nanawe, we're fixing, sir. Pledge allegiance. Slungsikhaya.